Warm good afternoon to all of you here. I can see a lot of positivity and smiles spreading in all over faces. As Sir said, I think my achievements are nothing but all my efforts, what I have given my best to do few things in my life. I'm sure we all have our own achievements to share and talk about. What I feel coming over here is a lot of positivity everywhere I can see. The initiative which is taken by the center is really a great initiative. I have been a part of a corporate life for 12 years as a banker, and being part of bigger organizations, I can say that any organization which takes care of its employees in whatever way makes the employee feel like working at home. Rather of coming to a workplace, you feel like coming, meeting your home. And small or big, this is always adds a sense of satisfaction to us. So I'm really happy that I'm being a part of this program today, where I'm meeting a lot of people, trying to understand how it all works. And I want to add few things apart from what I have done. Is being a fitness enthusiast and being a marathon runner. I don't know how many of us take fitness as a part of our daily routine. Can we raise hands? Okay, and what do we do as a part of our fitness?
People who raised hands, please.
People who have raised hands.
Zumba classes, gymming.
Okay, nice. There are people there also. Gym. Okay, fine. So, do we think like fitness is actually required?
Yes.
Why? Just because you wear some nice track pants and some nice shoes and we look nice, slim and or maybe we have to impress our people who are all around, our friends, like listen, I'm going to a gym, I'm doing Zumba. Is it something like that? We actually work
gives you
out?
a positive energy about yourself. You just feel happy.
Great, that's nice. Anything else? I mean, anyone else wants to add anything to it?
Physical health is also important as much as mental well-being.
Okay, true. That is one important factor. Very true. Okay, so I was not a fitness enthusiast, honestly speaking. 12 years I was working as a banker. I didn't know what is called fitness. Apart from like during college days, regular sports activity I was doing, I was not into fitness. While I was working, I realized one thing is like, do we work, do we eat, we sleep, we do our regular activities. We don't actually think